Alright everyone, so I'm going to show you an easy way how to remove your cake out of your pan. And we're going to put it onto a baker's rack because we're going to do some decorating on this cake. So make sure you take your knife and you go around all the corners. And I'm just letting you guys know that I let this cake kind of cool off for about 15 minutes. And there we go. It's a perfect squared rectangle cake. Stay tuned. All right, everyone. So now we're going to add the top layer back onto our whipped cream center. And we're going to try to do this perfectly. And there we go. And then when we cut it, we're going to go ahead and cut nice pieces. And we're going to cut this part as well. And this one. And that's all you need. And then you know what? You guys just have a wonderful snack. It's very quick. It's took about a good 40 minutes just to get everything ready. And here we go. Let's go for it. You guys have a nice evening. Hello everyone. This is the next day after we put the Chocolate Lovers Delight cake into the refrigerator. You can actually have it warm right out the oven after you're preparing it, or you can have it set with the whipped cream in between. Look at that. And it came out so beautifully and just deliciously and moist. This is a wonderful cake to share, especially for the nice summer season and spring, or all year around. Who doesn't like chocolate all year round, right? Well, anyway, I just want to show you guys another great thing about this recipe. It can be served cold or warm. Enjoy!